What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the video, and today we'll be talking about Amazon Translate. This is part 3 in a series that I'm doing about Amazon's managed AI services. Part 1 was about Amazon Comprehend, and part 2 was about Amazon Transcribed, so if you haven't watched those videos, go back and watch them. And then let's get into the video. So what exactly is Amazon Translate? Well, it does high quality translation by using advanced deep learning, which basically means it uses a neural network with multiple layers of nodes, and this produces fluent results. It has broad language support, which means it covers both common spoken and more uncommonly spoken languages. It is customizable, which means you can adapt translations with domain-specific terms, as well as use a unique brand voice. And lastly, it has flexible delivery, so you can do real-time and batch translations. Let's look at some of the features and benefits of the Translate service. So first of all, it's pretty accurate. It produces natural and context-aware translations. It is fast, ideal for real-time uses like chatbots and website translations. It also works on the pay-as-you-go model, which means that it is pretty affordable. It is also very scalable, which means that it can handle high volumes of text, and also previously mentioned it can do batch translation, and then it integrates pretty easily with other AWS services like S3 and Comprehend. Before we get into the demo, let's look at some of the use cases of this Translate service. So first of all, it is good for website localization, which means you can adapt web content for global users. It is also good for customer support, translating queries for multilingual service. Good for global content, as mentioned with the website localization, you can localize documents and marketing materials to a local language. It's also good for e-commerce to translate product info for international sales. And finally, media to localize subtitles and script for global reach. Right, let's start off the demo. We are here in the AWS console, and let's navigate to the Translate service. And now here, well, let's just go to this page. So this is the launch page of the Amazon Translate service. And then you can say launch real-time translation. Now there are two options here, text and documents, so we'll be going over both. So first, let's do the text one. So for this one, we can do Spanish. And then the output will do English. And then let's just copy this text that I have here, the Spanish text. And then here you can see the translated text. Amazon Translate is an AWS neural machine translation service that offers fast, accurate, and customizable translations. And then let's go over to the document option. So here we can select Hindi as the source input, and then the target language we can also do English. And then we can choose a file. Choose this hindi.txt, and the output can be also plain txt, either HTML or the Word doc. And then you can also have some additional settings here, like profanity masking, but we're just going to translate and download this for now by clicking on this button. And then here the translated file will be downloaded. And then here Amazon Translate is a neural machine translation service from Amazon that provides fast, accurate, and customizable language translation. It's the same. So that is it for this translation service demo. I have shown you the real-time translation using the text and document translation methods. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.